Hello and welcome everybody. MULN stock on 8 December here. We can go for the price that we want absolutely for a lot of things that can be indicated for this stock. So we can think it's going to be about 15 minutes update. Okay, and we can go for a refresh or a feedback or things that we can go for the price here. So that going to be the movements that is going to be stretched, and then it's going to be another part here that is going to be stretched, and we can go for the circle here and another one. This is going to be an increase, so that is increase, and since we can say that it would rebound after it increase and it reaches this limit, so that means that it decrease due to the appearance of a resistance on a previous wave on a 27 October on 2022. That would actually happen the same on the monostock on this part on December on January.